My name is Gail. I'm from New York. I heard about Red River from my daughter. It's been great, very great and peaceful.
Mentioned before, we have also that Jesus, that God gave.
It helped me to reflect on certain things I was doing, and coming to Red River, I realized that this is the better way to live. I would definitely recommend anybody, if we have the problem, to come to Red River because the staff is very, the patient, understanding, ask or whatever question you want to ask, they give it to me. And I will definitely be a spokeswoman for Red River, trust me.